Well, here we are, a Mini 1967. As it came back from the repairers, all the welding's been done underneath. I've just got rubbing it all down at the moment. It's all been rat-sawed underneath. As you can see there, can you see it? No, there. All been rat-sawed underneath. All English white. That's how it looks at the moment. I'm going to be painting it at home. Well, believe it or not, coach paint by hand with a brush. Some people think I'm mad, but there you go. I think I can do it, so I'm going to have a go. This lot came back from the repairers, the restorers, fully restored, all new, metal everywhere, new wings, new front. Just got to touch up the engineering there. And then I've got all the doors in the garage ready to paint, or rubbing down anyway. The procedure is 3 coats of primer, 3 coats of undercoat, and 3 to 4 coats of top coat. I'm having it all English white with a black roof. So tune in soon and I'll get back to you with the next stage. Thanks for watching. So here we are looking at the doors. I've just been filled, rubbed down, ready for primer. As you can see, it's a bit of a patchwork quilt, but that'll be okay once it's all painted, I think. Got to fill them holes as well. There's the other one. Ready? And the next time you see me, hopefully we'll have the primer on. One more look. You can see it's in the usual places. But, yep. So, we'll be back in a bit. So here we are, ready for the primer to go on. It's high build primer, and I've filled it all in, as you can see, ready for the first coat of primer. It takes 4 coats to get a good finish. I'm going to do all this front in a few minutes, so you can see. You can see it's filled in, ready, all new wings. I've already done the back and the roof. There's 2 coats on the roof. That's 1 coat on the back. We've got to do inside the boot. And that's got the colour underneath, you can see it. It's rat-sawed underneath. So that should look quite smart. It's good stuff, this paint. Very good. It's from Craftmaster. You might make sure you stir the paint up properly and then just apply it by roller or brush. I find it easier by brush personally, because the rollers seem to disintegrate and leave funny marks. But I might change my mind when I do the top coat, I don't know. But at the moment I'm using a brush. So let's get painting. So here we are, ready to paint. Just got a normal brush. of drips going through. Right there. This is only primer, so it takes 3 to 4 coats to get a good finish. So let's put it on and rub it down for your top coat. Loads of actually impressed. What happens when you film? Can you see? Right. Should be better now. We do. Just dry flat. Just some food. I'll show you in a second. A few meters or so. Spread it out. So this is just the first coat. So I'll bring it back. Hold on then. Yeah, I'll bring it back when we've got the coat on. Well, here we are now, 4 hours. Finally got one coat of primer on the back, 2 on the roof. Not done bad actually, that's pretty good. Inside, still wet. As you can see, I just used up the paint that I had left in the can. And I've used 1 litre up to now. And that's how the wing dries roughly. Not bad, is it? Obviously want a bit of rubbing down for the top coat. And that's the stage we're at the moment. Done all this side. You can see, and I've got a bit more rubbing down there to do. So here's the roof again. I'm quite pleased with that. Not bad at all. Like I say, put more coats on. Apparently put the primer on, 4 coats, and then you don't rub it down, you put it straight on top. The same with the undercoat, and it's only when you've got the 6th or 7th coat on, you rub it back for your top coat, which at the moment I'm very pleased with it. You get the odd run like I've got there. Can you see it? That's no problem there. I can rub that down. That's no problem at all. Wait for it to dry. Don't try and do it when it's wet because it'll make a right mess. Always wait for it to dry. Same with down there, you've got the brush mark, see it? Just got to rub that down. It's no problem. But it does dry better. So, I'm going to put a few more coats on. I shall get back to you and you can have a look before the top coats. See you soon. As promised, a quick report on the car. Here's the back of it, and that's had 2 coats of undercoat. Bit patch at the moment, but the roof's had 3. You can see a big difference there. And the front's had 2 coats, sorry, 2 coats. In the front here. It's a bit more work yet. That's the colour it's going to be, old English white. That's the engine drop back in already. And then this morning I've been finishing the floor area off. It's got a bit more to do yet. Got to seam all these joints in yet. All these joints along here and up there. With this stuff. I'm going to use that to seal all the joints. I put undercoat on the dashboard, you can see it's only thin, very thin, so it needs to be a few more coats yet. It's only 1 coat, like I say, just to give it a quick doings. Got to put some more in there, along there, and inside there, inside there, the little container, what do you call them? I can't think what they're called. Mine's gone blank. But yeah, that's all got to be rubbed down and filled and seamed. It's got to be rubbed down. A filler. There's no hole there, it's just a bit dinted. So I've tried to knock the dint out and fill it in. So yeah, it's looking well. Let's see if you can see underneath what it's like. I'll be able to see that, I don't know. That's how it is underneath. That's in Raptor. New subframe. All underneath, all brand new. So virtually like a brand new car when it's done. So the next time, hopefully I'll turn the camera on and record. So tune in next time to see what's next.